Let's clear that stuck job the right way. So, when your brother printer shows data remaining in memory, it usually means a print job didn't finish properly and is still sitting inside the printer's memory. That leftover data blocks new jobs. So, even if you try to print again, nothing moves. It can happen after interrupted prints, connection drops, or incompatible files. The fix isn't complicated. You just need to flush the stored data and reset the print flow so the printer can start fresh. Once the memory is cleared, everything runs normally again. Let's go step by step. Try these. 1. Press the cancel or stop button on the printer to clear current jobs. 2. Turn off the printer and disconnect it from power. 3. Wait briefly to allow the internal memory to reset. 4. Power the printer back on and let it fully restart. 5. Clear pending print jobs from your computer's print queue. 6. Send a new print job and confirm it processes normally.